Did you know that America's first patent for the typewriter was granted on June 23, 1868?
Yeah.
This is the story of how the typewriter was invented. It was patented by Christopher Latham Sholes, and ironically, he hated his own invention. He thought it was too loud and too clunky. But the world loved it. And you know that old saying, if you don't use it, you lose it. Well, that happened here. He actually lost the rights to his invention because he wouldn't use it. But before that, he did something else. He created the first QWERTY layout, which stands for the keys that are on the top row of the keyboard. And that was an innovation that changed the world. It made it possible for people to communicate faster than ever before. So next time you sit down at a keyboard, just remember, it could have been so different.